Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to search better in Notion using the Quick Find feature. If you work with multiple pages and databases, knowing how to search efficiently can save you tons of time navigating your workspace. First, go to your Notion workspace by selecting it on the left side after logging in to the web version. Once you're in, look at the top left sidebar and click the magnifying glass icon labeled Search. This feature was formerly called Quick Find, and it's your gateway to finding anything in your workspace instantly. Here's a faster way to access it. Instead of clicking the icon, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac. This keyboard shortcut opens Quick Find immediately, allowing you to search without lifting your hands from the keyboard. Once the search bar appears, type in keywords related to what you're looking for. The moment you start typing, search results will automatically update and display relevant matches. This real-time search makes it easy to find pages, databases, and even content inside pages without clicking through everything manually. You can navigate through the results using your arrow keys or mouse, scan through the list, and click on any result to open it directly in your workspace. If you're working with a large Notion setup, you'll notice sorting options above the search results. Click Sorting by Relevance to prioritize pages you access frequently, making your most used content easier to find. For more precise searches, type your search terms inside quotation marks. This tells Notion to look for that exact phrase rather than individual keywords, which is helpful when searching for specific titles or headings. If filters are available, use them to narrow your results by type, such as pages, databases, or comments. This cuts down on clutter and gets you to what you need faster. You can reopen Quick Find anytime by clicking the icon or using the shortcut again. When you're finished searching, simply close Quick Find by clicking outside the search window or pressing Escape on your keyboard. Mastering Quick Find transforms how you interact with Notion, turning what could be a slow hunt into a quick, efficient search. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.